Good morning, Elasmere boys. Today we will start the second chapter, rest of the section. This section is very different because here we will start doing the mathematical sums related to finding the local time of a place on earth. We are going to deal with the mathematical problem for finding a local time of a place on earth. As we know already that the local time of a particular place is different than the other areas or other place. What is the local time of a Kolkata? Half an hour ahead is the local time of Bangladesh. So, the local time varies as per the longitudinal difference. We have to keep in mind some of the important points. Let's look at these points. The first key point is the time difference for 1 degree longitude is 4 minutes. I would prefer after I finish out the video, you people please pause whenever it is required and write down these key points to solve these mathematical problems. So let me start with the first back again. The time difference for 1 degree longitude is 4 minutes. Second point, the time difference is to be added in case of a place to the east of a point. If I am currently situating in Kolkata and I want to find out the time of Japan, which is more eastward, then Japan's timing should be ahead of mine. So the time difference will going to be added. Similarly, the time difference is to be subtracted in case of places to the west of a point. So if I am situating right now in Kolkata and I want to calculate the timing of New York, New York is situated in much more western than Kolkata. So the timing of New York will be go in the backward direction, that is in the subtracted from the current time what we are having. Last point, if the time difference is crossing 12 midnight, then 1 day will be added, okay, and same for backward calculation, 1 day will be moved back. So this is also one thing you have to keep in mind, that if I see the time difference is something where I'm crossing the 12 midnight, then I have to add 1 day, because the day from weekday, which is from Tuesday to Wednesday, Wednesday to Thursday, it is changing also. And the same way, if we are going backward direction, then the day weekday has to be subtracted. Suppose from Tuesday we will be back to the Monday. These are the 4 main key points that we need to find out and that we need to keep in mind while doing any of this kind of program. Let's look at to the first question. This is a question I took it from the book so that you can resonate as the explanation is going through. Worked example, the first one is, when it is 12 noon on Monday at Greenwich, what is the local time at Tokyo, which is situated at 140 degree east? Now, if I look at the diagram first, I will see that the Greenwich is currently pointed at 0 degree. And if I go more eastward, I will get Tokyo. I have to find out the timing of Tokyo. So as I'm moving eastward and as it validate the point number 2, so the time difference is to be added. So I have to add the timing difference. Let's look at the first point. As it says, the time difference for 1 degree longitude is 4 minutes. So I know that Greenwich is currently at 0 degree and Tokyo is at 140 degree. So the time difference will be 140 degree. 140 degree minus 0 degree. So the difference in time for 1 degree is 4 minutes. So for 140 degree, it is going to be 560 minutes, which I am converting in hour and minute, getting it as 9 hours and 20 minutes. As we know, the timing of Tokyo is going to be ahead of the timing of Greenwich. So 9 hours 20 minutes we have to add from the time mentioned at Greenwich. As per my question, the time mentioned in Greenwich is 12 noon. So from the 12 noon, the 9 hours 20 minutes ahead, which means right now the local time of Tokyo will going to be 9:20, means 9 hours 20 minute PM, as it is crossing 12 midnight. So now everything will going as a PM value. Okay. Let's look at some more examples. When the local time is 6 a.m. on Monday at Alexandria, 30 degree east in Egypt, what will be the local time at New Orleans, 90 degree west in the United States? See, I have drawn a diagram pointing that I have got the value of Alexandria, which is in 30 degree east, which is in Egypt. Now after the eastings is over, I am getting the 0 degree Greenwich. Then crossing more words, I am going to the 90 degree west. So it means that I am moving westwards, and that is why, as per the third key point, the time difference will going to be subtracted. So let's see what will be the time difference between them. As this is 0 degree and 140 degree east, so the time difference over here, we minused it easily. But for here, one is west, another is east. The key point another is that if you get two different eastings and westings, then added them to find the longitudinal difference. Here, by adding them, it is 30 plus 90, which is 120 degree. As we know that 1 degree difference is 4 minutes. So for 120 degree, it is becoming 480 minutes, which is equivalent to 8 hours. So as I know, the time has to be subtracted from 6 a.m. Now, one very important thing, there are two clocks. This is the clock which we generally follow because it is moving in the forward calculation, means forward way. But this clock is going into the backward direction because here I have to do a subtraction. So the same way, from 6 a.m. we have to go back 8 hours back. 8 hours back. So if I look at 6 a.m. to 8 hours back, we will first reach to 6 hours, you minus it. So if you 6 hours you minus, you will reach at the 12 midnight. If you reach at 12 midnight, after that you are left with minusing 2 more hours. So minus 2 more hour, you will reach 10 p.m. but before midnight. So see, in my question, it was mentioned that it is 6 a.m. on Monday. As I said, that one weekday has been subtracted because I have gone backward direction, okay, following this side of clock. So I will reach on Sunday. in the backward position. Okay, let's move on to some of more of the programs. Here the next one is stating a cricket match commences at Delhi 77° at 10 a.m. on Sunday. So these are the key points we need to write. And what will be the local time at Sydney, which is 150° east, and also New York, which is 74° west, when radio commentary is received. So first we will do this program in two parts. First we will deal with Sydney, which is in the same hemisphere, and then we will do with the New York, which is in the other hemisphere. As I said, if both of the values are in same hemisphere, we can easily subtract the higher longitude value minus the lower longitude value to get the longitudinal difference. So I can say the difference in longitude between Delhi and Sydney is easily 150 minus 77, because both of them are in same eastings. The difference what we are getting is 73°. As I said, 1 degree difference is 4 minutes. So 73° difference will make up to 292 minutes, which is pointing to 4 hours and 52 minutes, which is pointing to 4 hours and 52 minutes. As this Sydney is situated in more eastwards, in the more eastwards point, so as we know, the timing difference will going to be added. So 4 hours and 52 minutes we will add from the current timing of ours. We will follow the forward calculation for time addition. So to do that, I will go to 10 to 2 more hours will make me 12, and then again to left out with 2 hours 52 minutes, that is at 2:52 p.m. because again I am crossing the midnight, the 12 noon basically. We are crossing from 10 a.m. See in the question it is mentioned 10 a.m. So from 10 a.m. plus 2 hours if I write, I will reach to 12 noon. Let's look to the next part, which is a longitudinal difference of 74° of New York. As I said, if one is in east, another is in west, then no more minus for longitudinal difference. We will add them. So while adding 77 and 74, I got 151°. 1 degree difference is 4 minutes. So 151 into 4 minutes will give me 604 minutes. That is 10 hour 4 minute. So as it is from Delhi, the New York, which is right now in more westwards, so the timing will be subtracted. So for timing will be subtracted, we will follow the backward calculation of time subtraction. So to do that, we will currently in 10 a.m. go back to 10 hours 4 minutes. We will reach up to 12:56 a.m. on Saturday. This is very important because here it is mentioned on Sunday and we are moving back, crossing the midnight. Okay, from 12 crossing the midnight, we are moving back. So it is no longer Sunday, it is reaching to the part of Saturday. I hope you have understood these problems and how we are solving it. If you have any doubt, do post me over there with your doubts. Next day, we will move forward to the longitudinal sums. Till then, in this pandemic situation, Keep yourself safe, maintain social distancing, stay safe. Thank you.